Okay guys, so our application is completely fine and it is working fine, but let's do some bug fixing and some cleanup inside our application. So let's go back here. Here we see that inside the post register route, we see that we are using this express validator as a middleware. And what we can do, we can make this file small by doing some cleanup here. And instead of writing the validator here itself, what we can do, we can go to the utils folder and let's create a new file here that is called validators.js. So let's do that. So validators.js, and here we simply want to export the validators. So let's say module.exports equal to an object here, and the first object would be the register validator. So register validator would be something, and that something would be this middleware itself. So let's copy this middleware. So let's cut it out from here and let's paste it here like this. And now we need to require this body from express validator inside this file. So we'll say const body equal to require express validator like this. So now let's save this file, and now let's require that thing, that is this register validator from this file inside our auth route. So what we can do, we can go at the top here, and here we can require this. So const register validator equal to require from the utils folder, utils and / validators like this. And I think that I have not misspelled this, so let me check it once again. So let me copy it and let me paste it here. So it is the same thing. And now we can use that middleware here inside our post route directly by doing this. So let's save this. And if we run our application, or we see that the application is already started, and if we go back and if we log out here and if we try to register a user, so let me provide in truly@gmail.com password 121 and 123. So we see that the validator is working. So let's go back and let's do some more cleanup. And here we see that we are using this connect ensure package like this, that is ensure logged out, connect ensure logged out, connect ensure logged out, and similarly so on and so forth. So let's make it easier to read. So instead of directly importing this package, that is connect ensure, what we can do, we can simply use destructuring here at the top. So here we can simply require this thing here, that is connect ensure logged out and ensure logged in, simply like this. And then we can directly use that thing instead of using connect ensure dot something and connect ensure dot something. So let's do this cleanup also. So it is much easier to read and much easier to maintain, and everything should work fine as it was before. I am not checking it, but you should check it on your own. And now where we have else used it, we have used it inside the app.js file also, I suppose. So let's go to our app.js, and at the top here we should have that thing here, that is ensure logged in like this. And we should have this thing here. So let me remove this thing from here, and we should also remove this thing from here. Now everything seems to work fine, and I guess we haven't used it anywhere else. So guys, that's pretty much about this video, and that's pretty much about this series. And in case you have any suggestions or supplements to this application, do so post below inside the comments, and I would share the repo on GitHub and you can check that out. So if we go to our GitHub account, so let me open the GitHub account, and here we'll see this repo, that is the repo for our role-based access control. So here you will find two branches. One is the master branch that contains the role-based access control with passport local authentication. Or if you are only interested in passport local authentication, then what you can do, you can simply switch the branch to passport local only. And here in this branch, you'll only get passport local authentication without role-based access control. So guys, that's all about this video. So if you have liked the video and the series, do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. And that's all what I need of you. So thank you, bye bye, tata, take care, and have a good day and a great day, and have a great year ahead.